Hi everybody, it's Tom from FindTheBestCarPrice.com. This video is relevant for the 2011 through 2021 models of the Jeep Grand Cherokee. And if you're changing a tire and you've been able to remove all the lug nuts except for this one, I'm going to show you what you need to do that. It's called a wheel lock key. That's the wheel lock on there, to make it more challenging for thieves to steal your tires and wheels, to keep everything safe. And most likely, what you need is going to be found right here within the glove box. It may be in a bag, it may be out in the open like this one. Typically it's in something, but this is what you're looking for. You'll put that on the end of the lug wrench and it will allow you to easily take this off. Let me put it on for you just so you can see it in action right here. You can see that that fits snugly on there, and this is what you need. You'll be ready to go. Most likely, like I say, it'll be in the glove box. It could be somewhere else in the vehicle, especially if it's used, but that way you know what to look for. To learn more about the model in today's video, visit the link in the description for a detailed comparison between trims and pricing for the vehicle we featured or any vehicle you may be interested in. These pages feature information such as our recommended trim level based on price, value, and features. Thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. We look forward to seeing you next time.